didn't see you there. Hello. Welcome to my channel. If you didn't know already by my title, today we are going to be doing a super simple, easy, beautiful makeup look. It's just gonna bring everything together, make you feel polished without making you feel like you have too much on. This can be perfect for anybody really, but especially perfect for students, women that obviously prefer natural looking makeup. First things first, I'm so sorry about this. Before this video, I was plucking my upper lip. I'm not ashamed. Okay, to start off this look, I am going to be using this. My Tatcha eye cream, the Pearl. I love this. It's an eye cream and a color corrector. I just have a little bit of argan oil on my under eyes. That's how it looks. Oh look, it's like twinkling in the sun. How do I do that? There we go. This, you only need a rice size amount. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. This comes in 3 different colors. Wow, it looks already like brighter. Wow, do you see the difference? Obviously I put a little bit there, but this is Gimme Brow. This is the key to a natural look. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright, so that's all you do. It's super quick and easy. I like to brush the top up because I like to be a little feathery. Ooh. I like to look a little messy. No, I just like that look. It just makes me feel like a model or something. And I have those like feathery thick brows like on Brooke Shields. Ooh. Fluffy. Fluffy! Fluffy G. Nice and fluffy G. Fluffy G. What is this? Let me do the other side. This is so annoying. I have to put concealer on that. Fluff. Ooh. Oh, look how much better. Like my brows look incredible right now. Look at that fullness. Oh. This is all you need. Gimme Brow. My shirt's like doing all sorts of things. Okay, so now you're just gonna take a brown pencil. Why a brown pencil, you ask? Well, for my skin tone, I feel like brown is gonna make it look a lot more natural, less like you have eyeliner on, and more just sort of giving some definition to your lashes. So how I do that, this is literally what I do. Ooh, and then I should probably have a mirror. Here we go. And then I just do a little wing at the end, right here. I love that look, almost like just so natural, so nicely blended. Now we're gonna do the other side. It helps if your eyes are properly hydrated. Go ahead and put on some concealer. I like to put on concealer with my fingers. I usually use my ring finger, but I just use my ring finger. So I'm gonna use my next most delicate finger, my pinky. This is the Tarte Maracuja Concealer. It's very creamy-licious. A little bit goes a long way. And it's supposed to brighten over time. It has the Maracuja, which has vitamin C in it. So I love this, and it lasts forever. Like, I've had this for really long. It's probably expired, but like, whatever. Notice how I'm applying my concealer. I'm just like going down and out. Like I'm bringing it here as a highlight as well. Sorry for the lighting change. I had to switch to artificial lighting because the sun's going down. Over here where I'm at, it goes down really early. So next we're gonna take the Stila Convertible Color Blush. I don't know what color this is. I've had it for so long that it came off. I use this all the time. This is my blush of choice, as you can see. Smile, put some onto the apples of your cheeks. I love the idea of a blush you can apply with your fingers. That adds a little flush of color to your face. Now is the fun part. We're gonna do our lashes. I don't know about you, but I need to always have an eyelash curler because my eyelashes are so straight. Look. They're so straight. Sometimes it doesn't even look like I have eyelashes until I look down. It's ridiculous. But I'm very thankful for them because I can manipulate my lashes to my liking. So I'm glad I have lashes. I love this mascara. Why? I just want two things in a mascara. I want it to last. Okay, so to not be like all over on my concealer, on my cheeks, all over the place. I hate that. I don't want it to flake. I guess three things. I don't want it to flake. I want it to last all day. I want the staying power to be crazy. But when it's time to wash, I don't want to have to rub my eyes all night long until I look like a raccoon. This gives me all three. This and the Dior Iconic Overcurl are my two favorite mascaras. But since I'm just in the house, I mean, we're not using Dior. We're not using Dior to just lounge around. Okay. Start from the base of my lashes and I bump and wiggle, turning my mascara around. My mascara wand all around like this so that I get all that mascara on it.
I'd say the way I put on my mascara is very strategic and patient. I'm just touching up my wing liner. It got a little messed up with the mascara.
I'm sorry, but I just always need a wing. I feel like it transforms my eye shape. While I'm doing my makeup, I like to have this on. This is by Josie Maran. It's a lip plumping balm, which I love. I feel like lip plumpers are always gloss, but this is like skincare. It's gonna plump your lips over time. I love the little sting it gives me. And I love that it's a balm, so you can wear it underneath stuff. Not have to worry about being too glossy and sticky. I'm gonna be adding a tinted lip balm. This one is my favorite. This is Clinique by Clinique. It is the color Black Honey. This is my favorite because it just adds a sheer, beautiful color to your lips. It's a big difference. And it looks so natural. This is perfect for girls that just want a little color in their lip but don't want to wear lipstick, and perfect for actors, like for your auditions and stuff like that, when you just need a very natural looking lip that isn't too much. This is perfect. But yeah, that's it. That's all. And if you want, you can finish yourself with a little spray. I love the Marc Jacobs Hydrating Mist. Ooh, I feel awake. I feel like I look very healthy when I put on this natural makeup. Yeah, we're done. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you like this look. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share it with a friend that you think would benefit from this. I do 3 videos a month, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of myself. Thanks for watching. Excuse my dry ass hands. Eczema.